Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do an unboxing of BoxyCharm. This is a subscription box that comes monthly and I paid for it for the year, so I just get them automatically. I don't remember exactly how much they were, but I get a discount for doing that. So you can check it out at BoxyCharm.com and see if you like it. The neat thing about this is that it is 5 full-sized products each month. So instead of like Ipsy where I get the 5 sample sizes, of course it's only $10 and you get the little bag too. I think that's a great deal. This one is a little more, but you get full-sized products. So let's see what's inside. So I have a little getaway and it tells me what's in it. So no problem. I know I've gotten this before in one of my boxes. And this is Prime Essence. Let's see. It says, let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Soul No Problem Prime Essence, infused with calendula officinals flower extract. This primer tightens your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. And this retails for $23. Ooh, and it's very pretty. I like the pink. And it looks like, oh, I don't know. This is very interesting. There it goes. Okay, I was like, it's not like coming out of the thing very easily. So I guess you use this, like it says, as a primer. Very interesting. I don't know. Very nice. And then here is this. It's Dirty Little Secret Rosy Posy. This is a lip liner. Smooth and creamy, this Dirty Little Secret lip liner is here to help you create the perfect pout. And I'm not going to put it on because I will probably gift this to my daughter. It is a pretty color, but I just don't use enough lip liner to make it worthwhile. So I will probably give this to my daughter and I'll just leave it packaged so that she can unpackage it. But it is a really pretty color. And I think it's kind of a neutrally color. I think this color looks good on a lot of people. Saint Tropez Self Tan Classic Bronzing Mousse. Natural looking tan. Let's see what this says about it. For our most iconic, natural, and healthy looking tan, the lightweight classic mousse tailors to your individual skin tone for the longest lasting tan in one application. So it says read or peel label to reveal the full usage instructions. I'm going to do that just because you guys might be interested, because I think I would be interested. And I am interested. I would like to know how to use this. Goodness. Here we go. Golden rules for the perfect sunscreen or sunless tan. Exfoliate 24 hours prior to use. Moisturize elbows, knees, ankles, feet, and any light hair. For best results, apply using the application mitt. Apply in circular motions. Glaze lightly over well moisturized hands and feet. Wait until touch dry before getting dressed. Allow 4 to 8 hours before getting wet. To prolong and maintain your tan, moisturize daily, exfoliate regularly, and reapply as required. It says, do not apply to broken, infected, or sensitive skin. carry out a patch test 24 hours prior to use. So that's interesting. You just, let me read it again. You just exfoliate 24 hours and then you apply this in circular motions using, I'm assuming this is, yes, this is the Tan Applicator Mitt. Well, how cool is that? I might have to try that. I would like to have a little golden tan. So yeah, that's kind of cool. And this retails for $15. Oh no, it doesn't. $24.50. The lip liner is $15. This is $24.50. So it's not a lot. So I don't know how much it will take. I don't know if this is one application or surely not. This is more than that, but could be cool. This is Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight, non-sticky balm like lemonade lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. And it says the sheer gloss is long-lasting, flat and flexible, that you can wear it alone or layer it over your favorite lipstick. Ooh, that's pretty. Must be pink lemonade. Ooh, it smells like vanilla cupcake. Gosh, it smells really good, but I can't smell it on my skin. But I can smell it on the applicator. Oh, it smells really good, like vanilla cupcakes. This is pretty, and it's very sheer. If you wanted to go for a natural look. And then finally, I thought this might be cool. It is a Tarte High Performance Naturals BU Naturally eyeshadow palette. And this says, packed with 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte, your new Tarte BU Naturally palette is everything you need to create endless natural looks, from the frosty cool pinks to the rich bronze and brown tones. This palette will flatter all skin tones with blending smoothly thanks to the Amazonian clay formula. So that's really pretty. Hopefully you guys can see that without it being too obnoxious. But it's got like Amazonian, I guess, leaves on it. And it's gold and shiny. And then here are the colors. It kind of reminds me almost of the Mermaid palette earlier that I gave to Katie. I mean, it's very browns. It says it would look pretty on everybody. I'm not a big brown fan, honestly. So it's kind of a bummer when I mean, because I can't use this. I mean, I could, but I wouldn't use it for very long. I know me. I would use one of these colors, and that was about it. Maybe, I would maybe use that one, and I would use one of these as a base, and then I would put my black on top, and that would be that. So I don't know. I will probably save this as a present as well, because I hate to not use it. And I love it. I mean, it's really nice. I just don't know that I would use it. And, you know, that's okay with me. I don't mind that I get boxes that I end up giving most everything, if not everything, away in, because I feel like at least somebody gets to use it, and I get to see it and try it and unbox it for you guys and for me. I think it's fun. I like to get little presents like this, like I said, even if it's not something that I'm going to use. But I do think I'm going to try this. I can't really tell on my hand any difference, and it doesn't feel any different, but I'm going to try it because I think that that would be nice. And I think I'm going to try this mousse tan. I have not done this before, but it's worth a shot, right? So I'm going to leave this in here with that. But I think that that and this lipstick and I'm going to leave this in the box just in case I decide I don't like it or don't want it. You know, my daughter won't care if I used it. And this, I think I'm going to give all of those to Katie, maybe in her Christmas stocking. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Bye-bye.